We're LandApp, and we're here at Groundswell 2026, talking to a whole host of different people about the future they want to see for British farming. Come along for a chat.
One of the reasons I love coming to Groundswell is because of the optimism, because all of those goods and services that these farms and estates are providing, they benefit the whole of society. That's the big picture that we're all trying to work towards.
So many people within the nature restoration industry, they're so energetic about what can be done and what can be achieved. Everyone's willing to help everybody, so that community is really, really important.
Well, I think the issues we're facing from a biodiversity loss and climate change are really hitting us as a business day in, day out. And we're using the lens of resilience, both business resilience, but obviously biodiversity resilience at the same time. From that angle, it's a really interesting conversation to be had like never before.
Just being here at Groundswell, all of the customers that we've just been spending time with, I feel totally inspired by what we're doing and how we're doing it.
Being able to connect with the people who use us and know that we're genuinely helping people and make a difference.
My 3 words at the moment would be resilience, determination and hope for the future. I think LandApp, but also all of the other technologies we're seeing here at Groundswell are part of that future.